Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. For the next couple weeks we're going to do a garden theme. Today our craft is a napkin decorated clay pot. Let's get to it! The materials you'll need for this craft are decorative paper napkins, a clay pot, some ribbon, a foam brush, scissors, glue, and a paper plate or something to work with your glue on. First thing you want to do is we're going to take our paper napkins, and again these are the decorative type. They're a little thicker, and you want to just get something with a design that you like. I'm going to use this flower design. So you would just open up the napkin and you would cut your design out along the lines however you want it. Just to save time, I've already cut mine out, so I have this as my design. And now I'm going to put that upside down on my plate, and I'm going to get some glue out. And just put some glue on the plate. That's what I'm using it for. And then I'm going to take the foam brush, and I'm just going to gently dip it in the glue and gently brush it onto my design on the back of the paper napkin design. You want to make sure that you get the glue, especially on the edges. That'll help it stick to the pot better. And just have to be gentle. You don't want to rip your napkin. You don't need tons of glue. That'll make it soak through too much and it may rip. So once we have that, then I'm going to carefully pick this up, and I'm going to place it on my pot where I want it. And you can use your fingers, but just remember, be very gentle because it's thin and it will rip. And then you just want to pat it down, especially around the edges. And then as you see, mine hangs over the edge of the pot, so I'm just going to take a little glue and put it on the bottom of the pot, and then I'm going to fold that over just so it has a nicer edge. You can cut it, but I just think it would be a neater edge if you just fold it over a little and attach it with some glue. So there's my design. That's going to be the front of my pot. Depending on your design, how big it is, you can do pieces all around the pot or something on the front and the back. Mine's somewhat large, so I'm just going to do the front. And then I'm going to take my ribbon, and what you do is, I've already cut mine out, but what I would do is measure your ribbon, how much you need around the edge of the pot first, and then cut it and then glue it on. So now this is the front of my pot. I'm going to start in the back, and I'm going to just put some glue around the edge, around the rim of the pot. And you won't need a lot. You don't want it to seep out the edges. So I'll put some glue around here, spread that around. Then starting at the back of the pot, I'm going to put the edge, and I'm just going to gently run my finger around the ribbon to let it stick, and then it'll end up in the back, so I'll have that seam in the back of my pot so you won't see it as much. And then what I would do is just set your pot upside down, since it has glue on the bottom. Just set it upside down like this and let it dry. I hope you enjoyed making your very own napkin decorated clay pot. If you enjoyed this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. Make sure to tell your friends. See you next time. Bye!